You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body, baby.
Woke up, the price of coke up. I just hit them with the low.
Hey guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can achieve a fox French braid updo, fox hawk, mohawk, whatever you want to call it. Alright guys, so I'm sectioning out my hair. Alright, so in this style you can achieve it by sectioning out your hair into 3 into 4, but because of how thick my hair is, I decided to section my hair into 5 so I'll be able to hold them together. So here I'll do the sections first, then before I'll start applying my edge control and the gel that I'm going to use to slick my hair down. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, my name is Genevieve Ezinwa. You're welcome. Please consider hitting the subscribe button to join the family. All right, and also if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your love and your support, and welcome back. Okay guys, so here I'm sectioning out a little piece of hair where I'll be making a tiny cornrow with 2 sides of the hair. Okay, I just want to like spice up the hair a little bit, and then I'll go on to complete the sectioning.
I took the supermarket flyers from the windowsill. I threw the day-old tea from the cup.
So here I'm done showing you how it's looking like. So here's the edge control I'm going to be using. If you all know me, you should know that I like using this edge control. It's a hair wax, it slicks my hair down and I like it. Okay, so I'm going out to apply the hair wax onto my hair and then I'll slick it down. Afterwards I'll grab a little extension, just a little braiding hair, to attach in it. Okay, if you don't want to attach any extension, any braiding hair into your own, if you just want to cornrow your hair like that, fine, that'll be okay. But I just needed to add a little weight and a little tightness to my hair. That is why I'm adding in the hair. All right, so here I'm going to do a fitting method. So I'll go on to do this first one. All right, so here I'm showing you the gel and the edge control I'll be using. Okay, the black one, it's called Petals gel. Okay, and then the other one, it's hair wax. All right, so when I apply hair wax on my hair, it shows white residues on my hair, so I'll use the black one to apply on top of it. That will help to remove any white cars, any white residues that you will see on top of it. Okay, so here I'm slicking my hair down. First of all, I apply water onto my hair, at least to make it soft a little bit, and afterwards I would apply my gel and then comb it out, brush it out with my Bristol brush, and now I'm using a rubber band to tie that down. So once I'm done tying that down, I'll make a little braids with my hair, and then I'll use a small rubber band to tie it down and make a little bun out of it. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be doing to the whole of the hair that I sectioned out. Okay guys, I'll allow you to watch it. I'll be right back.
You'll say hallelujah, you're home. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. And when God takes you back, He'll say hallelujah, you're home. Fluffed the pillows, made the bed, stacked the chairs up, folded your nightgowns neatly in a case. John said he'd drive, then put his...
Alright guys, I don't want to waste much time in doing the same thing over and over, okay? So I just went ahead to finish the rest of the hair off camera. Alright, so the two tiny braids by the side, I attached it in one of the little bun that I created. Okay, so here I'm tying down my hair with a head wrap, and afterwards I'll do my makeup. Voila, this is how it's looking like. This is how my hair is all slicked down. So here I'm showing you the braiding hair that I'm going to be using. I already make up braids out of it off camera. Okay, I attached the rubber band on it and did a bob braid on it. All right, so here guys, I'm showing you how to install the hair. All right, you attach your rubber band in the first little bone that you created, and then you swap it over to the back. All right, then once you do that, you open the hair a little bit, and if you're braiding your hair, you make it loose. Okay, don't make your braids tight. All right, make your braids loose that you be able to open it up and then put in your hair, because we need to hide those our hairs, baby. You need to hide your hair, sis. All right, so you need to make your braid loose. So here I'm covering up the little bun that I did with my hair. All right, and I'm using bobby pins to do that. So in this hairstyle, you are going to be needing lots and lots of bobby pins. Okay, like here I wasn't even counting how many bobby pins that I'm using, but I'm just going ahead to use bobby pins and put them in my hair. If I touch somewhere and I feel it's a bit loose, and I use bobby pin to hold it down. All right, so once you get to where your bun is, you open the hair and cover it up. Use the braiding head to cover up your little buns, okay, so as to hide them. All right, because after doing this, says you don't want nobody saying that. Okay, you don't want nobody seeing your little bun poking out somewhere. Okay, so you need to use lots and lots of bobby pins to hide that and put them in place. All right, so use your hand to just touch it here and there and see if you need to add more bobby pins. All right,
pillows, made the bed, stacked the chairs up, folded your night.
so here is the second braiding hair that I'm using. So this one I'll be using to cover up the small bun in the front. Okay, so when I attached it, I'm swooping it in the front because I want this I want the braiding hair to be, you know, in the front of my hair. So I just folded it around in front of my hair just to create that, you know, that look that cute look. So afterwards I'm still going to use lots of bobby pins to, you know, pin that down, because you want to pin your hair down. Like, you want your hair to be tight. Like, you don't want to go out and looking all cute and your hair is boom boom, you know, falling off on the ground. No, you don't want that. Okay, so you use lots of bobby pins to hold them down. All right, this is it for this video, guys. If you've stayed with me to this moment and you want to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please kindly click on the red subscribe button to subscribe and join the family. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section down below what you think about this hairstyle. You want to recreate it and share it to your friends. And also I went ahead to put some gold clips on the hair so as to spice up the hair a little bit. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and staying with me till the end of this video. Always remember to stay safe and be blessed. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. His body baby, oh. His body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give